competition. Third place, Pappas, Server, heads up racing. Final turn. Brother, we introduce you here to Victory Lane. Congratulations, first of all. I remember when your first win was back in 2005. Here we are, 2014, almost 10 years later. And you're doing it in your own backyard. How's it feel, bro?
It feels pretty good. It's been a long time since I've been able to be here. This is the first time I've been here. I've been doing it for 10 years. I don't know what Donald was doing. He must have been sleeping on the line or something. That guy is one of the most toughest guys to beat out of anybody. The guy's had a tremendous couple of years. So to beat him is a pretty good accomplishment.
Going for style. getting out of the mouth. He's an Android user. Facing the wrong way. Oh, this is the part in the triathlon where you run to the finish line. Hold on, let me just check my tire real quick. I can't afford a pit crew, I don't sell. Some good ones. We have one go upside down. We got, what is this? Charlie, what are you doing? Can you even reach the pedals in that thing? Where did you get that from? I think he stole it. I saw who drove it. He got it, Target.